Kabarika! Welcome to our Konúko. Today I want to talk about keeping out the weeds. Last year I had tried putting down straw in between the garden beds to see if that would help block the sunlight and keep the weeds from coming out. Of course, this only deterred them a little bit, so this year I'm going to try something new. I'm adding plastic in between the garden rows, as you can see behind me. It's the kind of plastic that you would use, let's say, in a greenhouse, which we actually did do this year. However, I noticed that it's very hot when the sun is beating down on it, and of course it's black, so it's going to get incredibly hot. So I want to put straw on top of it afterwards to kind of keep it cool. So it's going to be a combination of plastic and straw. So hopefully it goes well, and I'll show you what I've been doing so far. So you'll notice that I put down these 3 pieces of plastic so far in between these rows. The first thing I had to do was clear out the rows. And as you can tell from these rows over here, it's really hard to see what is a weed and what is something that I'm growing. I've been very diligent with my watering, so the weeds are just growing. We have grass, clover, all kinds of stuff. So, back to the rows. I just measured out how much plastic I needed. Then I staked down the plastic with these stakes here, as you can see, just like your regular metal stakes, and I put them in some strategic places, for example at the beginning, and then a few feet down, and then again at the very end. And that's about it. Well, 2.5 wagon loads of weeds later, and I'm done with the lettuce area. I'm just going to put the last bit of plastic over the last row, and then I'll be all set. In the meantime, happy planting!